Shout ladies and gentlemen, my name is Kevin Sapp. In case you don't know, maybe that boy want to say MMM, he's back again. Oh. Y'all keep it locked down with Plug TV. Keep watching Plug TV. Oh shit, Plug TV. Don't remove the plug. Plug the plug. Don't remove the plug.
Not only right he define, he wasn't concerned about the lyrics. If not fellow Nigerians, how can somebody with twins and wife and something went on and back? Babe, confident. Oh God, I said that. Carry diary. Any listen go back to the scene. Arabanko. They put my mouth up on the scene. Arabanko. They call about me. I could ask myself, how your enemies don't go back to the scene? They don't carry your matter. Who by that to the scene? At the end, because somebody call about me, make a place of Jackie. What happened? That ego is not ordinary. That's why. Hold on. Now, I can't imagine say that sense of when I song sing. We can't give the song to Aaron and be musician. Make him sing that song. Somebody like Arukeli, give an Arabanko, say, we want you to sing Arabanko. The first issue when Arukeli go get, now the lyrics. Enemies, don't go buy kerosene. They put your matters for what? Sell a thing. What the fuck? Then call that book, man, I just want to sing. I don't want to think about it anymore. He go down there, sing, he want to sing, he don't want to sing. Now you give Arukeli the beat. Same song, Arukeli will sing. Now something like this, you have to talk again. Yo, yeah, sing it out. I'm sung. Out to play. Kerosene, they put my mother for cellophane, they wanna give me like everything. Listen, they call my body, say make me bring some sugar cane. Ooh yeah, what do I say now? That's the same. You have to say, ooh, Arabanko. Ooh, Arabanko. Arabanko. Listen. There's some things I cannot take, even for cellophane. Banana. And politicians don't come to pay attention. Now I walk, something like show up. How many times Puerto Rico show your face? Insult the police unless I see. I've been no one talk. They fire me in a wall. Somebody help me say nobody is safe. When they want to offering, then they take him. They know they sing praise. Now imagine a typical Catholic church where we won't take offering. I bet all these people sit around this table. Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Hello. Chale. Give a man down. Slow. Ayanai. Slow. Now I'm going to say what you take. I don't know for Nigeria. Gentlemen, I had to think outside the box this time. Imagine that song waiting again. Say Catholic Church won't decide to use that song as hymn for offering. And something like this now will be very simple and fair. Now DJ, plan with it. They share about them for to wait till we get. Pray for grace, my G. Oh, you are my baby. Every morning